everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Ayana Alicia, and so today we are doing another press-on nail video. I actually got some of my favorite ones to do this time because they're actually thicker than the last set that I had came on to do. But we have the Kiss acrylic French nails, and these are the medium length ones that we are doing. And when you get it, it comes with some glue, which I'm not going to use their glue because it seems like their glue never works for me, but you can. Your nails, of course, and then it has your little cuticle pusher and another nail file and the rest of your nails in there. And just to show you guys what I was talking about concerning it being thicker, as you can see, it has like that small layer of that thin layer of the nail and then like a thicker nail over top. So that's why I actually like using these better. So again, these are the Kiss Salon acrylic French nails that we are doing. They are the Flexa ultra flexible flawless fit with no bubbles. And then the only other thing that we are going to be using is, of course, our fingernail file. Like I said, I like to use super glue or either a stronger nail glue, but I just have super glue right now. I did go out and buy me a nail drill from Family Dollar. This is not a fancier one. This one was only like $7, so it just does enough for me to like sand down and buff down what I want. And then, of course, I like to have some nail polish remover just so that I could wipe off the dust before I begin. So let's just get straight into it. Today I'm going to start off by sanding out my nails. So let's start here. Come and take your place, 'cause love you give can't be replaced. So go now, what you do, that's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a
Now that I don't want you here, it's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you.
Alright, y'all, so now that the clear coat has pretty much dried on the majority of them, I'm going to go through with my nail cuticle oil. This is the Gelatin Nail Cuticle Softener Oil Gel. I got this from Walmart. I mean, not Walmart. I got this from Amazon. So I will try to leave like a description of this particular one that I have. That I got from Amazon, and I also use this one. This one I actually got from Dollar Tree, but it works great. This is the Cuticle Oil and Nail Strengthener by Sashi and Cheek. This one came from Dollar Tree, and I think you can also buy this one at Family Dollars or Dollar General, but it costs more there. I think it's like $2 or $3 there, but at the $1.25 though, it's $1.25. I forgot Dollar Tree is not a dollar no more. All right, so I'm just gonna use this one because I'm trying to finish using this one up. So this one is just like a little twist. So I just twist it and just go around my cuticles with the cuticle.
Me so many questions. I do not want this child to have a father interested.
And that is it. And so from there, I just like to rub it in.
Close the door. You like to see you, sir? Is there something you want to tell me? About what? Do this.
And that is pretty much it. And this is the final result of my nails. I get a little bit closer to the thing, but yeah, this is how they look. I absolutely love them. They look like I literally went to the shop and got them done. Can't go wrong with a good old French nail tip nails. And they're very sturdy. So yeah, that will conclude this video, and I will see you guys on our next nail press videos. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and leave me a little comment below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and if you wear press-on nails as well. Until next time, bye.